Welcome to the NAV People's Knowledge Hub. In this video, we will show you how to create a purchase return order. This will allow you to be able to process returns to vendors if you are ever unhappy with a product that they have delivered. To create a purchase return, first of all, click Buying in Stock, and then Purchase Return Orders from the navigation page. Next, select New from the ribbon. Enter the vendor that you want to create the purchase return order for. Once the vendor has been entered, click Get Posted Document Lines to reverse. This will open a window for you to select the item or items that are being returned. Highlight the items you want to return and click OK. Now, looking at the Lines Fast tab, you can see that Dynamics NAV has populated the field with the correct information. If you need to, you can adjust the quantity of the items being returned. You can also add a return reason code so that you have a record of why the items were returned. Select the reason and the warehouse that the items are being returned to. Once you are happy with the return and have entered a vendor credit memo number, click Post. And that's how you create a purchase return order. The NAV people offer free training on all aspects of NAV. Please visit our website to find out more, www.thenavpeople.com.